Yeah,
I'm just looking at the camper.
Oh, the camera?
Nice.
No, your camper.
And the camper.
No, the camper. Yeah, it's a Kimbo. We love it.
And it's a beautiful day too.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, we cannot complain about it.
Where are you guys from?
Well, we're from that Kimbo. We're living out of that. So that's where we're
Oh,
from.
where is it, sir?
No, we came from California, is
California.
where we started from, but yeah, we've been living out of that for 6 months now.
It's the first time I see one that you put in the pickup in this way. It's very nice.
Yeah, they're kind of rare. You won't see too many of those. This is serial number 310, so
Mm.
not too many of them around.
Very nice.
So you buy the truck, then you buy that one and they put that on top of it.
Yeah, usually
Yeah.
they made that so that
Yeah,
it
you
will
put that
keep
in
the
any truck.
back.
Then
flip
you,
it
you
with that.
can you take it off? If
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
do that, John.
How you do that?
Well, I've got the jacks off right now, but it comes with jacks that mount on these four. You know, these mounts
Oh,
here. They come down.
oh, then drive it
It
off.
stands up,
Yep.
and then you put the
And
thing
then
up.
drive it out.
Yeah, so if there is, I could just leave it here and go get something and
Yeah.
come back. But it's a little bit of work to get it off there.
Very nice.
I took them off to save weight, while I'm traveling.
Very nice.
Well, no,
There is
that-
another person over there, but they
I
just
took
left.
them off.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
but
took 'em off.
these are the mounts.
Very nice.
It's
Oh,
always
so you
people
can take it
here.
off and,
Yeah, I asked a few people there at the beginning, and they say, yeah, but I want you to have you along. And
Oh yeah, you
it's
were.
okay, we go. That means they go very often.
You got a little
It's very, very
fireplace
nice.
inside.
Yeah, and
One thing I
Opening
like to do
fireplace.
is above the ground when you're sleeping.
I like that. They
When you
have a
train,
little stove in
you are not gonna go to where. You just stay there until the rain stops, isn't it?
And you went already to the Jesus to go see Jesus. That's right, Jesus. Or you not Catholics?
Oh, I'm a Christian.
Oh, okay. Where is
Presbyterian.
there is the church of El Carajo.
Very nice. Very, very, very nice.
Yeah. What is the church, Beck?
There's no church.
Very
Stop
nice.
it.
Thank you. You have good camera.
Try to get yourself put away somewhere.
Now, I'm sorry to ask this again.
Sure.
Is this an oven?
What?
Is this an oven inside?
Yeah, it's a gas wood burning stove.
Oh my goodness.
Throw firewood in there, and
Oh my.
it all breaks down.
Oh.
Yeah, fire in there.
Very good.
Made for a tent,
Yeah,
a hot
very
tent. So this all breaks down. All the pipes store inside it. Folds up and
Very nice.
take it away.
Makes you warm too. A good warming.
Yeah, because it gets the smoke up and away from you, so
Yeah.
you're not smelling like a
Yeah,
campfire.
that's very true.
And,
And you have a lot of for your gadgets.
yeah, I got to power
Solar,
my
yeah.
Starlink
Computer,
and
your thing.
oh, it's our home, so it makes sense. We got to have